Hi, in this video we're going to talk about modal verbs of prohibition, and the main one for this is mustn't. Now remember that prohibition means that it is not allowed. If you do this thing, then you will be punished or something bad will happen to you. So let's take a look at some examples. Now this is one I used before, and this is usually one that I use to help students understand, and that is, you mustn't smoke in class. Remember that we've got our subject, then we've got our modal verb, and then we have, by now you should be telling me that we have the infinitive. If you smoke in class, then something bad will happen as a result. You will be asked to leave the class, or possibly they will make you pay a fine or something like that. Informally, and you'll notice that English people, when we speak, more commonly use can't. Again, this is perfectly possible to say you can't smoke, you can't smoke in class. And again, we've got subject, modal, and infinitive. Yeah, this is more how people would speak. Mustn't is more like things that you would see written on the rules on the wall, or possibly in some kind of contract or something like that. So when you're speaking, you might prefer to use can't. When you're writing, you might prefer to use mustn't. One small thing to remember though, can't is used for many things. And we're going to talk about ability later on. And therefore, if you want to be 100% clear that the person will understand you, then go with mustn't, because mustn't is only used for one thing, really. Okay, that's it for this video. What I recommend that you do now is actually scroll down, go past permission and past ability. There will be videos on those, of course. But there is now an activity, an interactive quiz that you can do that will test what you've learned about must, have to, should and shouldn't, mustn't, I'm trying to remember, and don't have to. So take that quiz, see how you do, and I will also be there with a video to explain the answers if there's anything that you got wrong. And once you've done that, then check out the next video, which is going to be related to permission. Okay? Take care.